Good morning, my dear students. Class 3rd. Myself, Miss Alima Sheikh. Students, as you know, we had completed our Unit 3. And from today onwards, we are going to start with Unit 4. So here, today we are going to learn a new topic in English. It is a poem. And the poem name is A Book Speaks. So students, I request to everyone to open your English Bal Bharati textbook. In that, page number 66. Students, can you see? It is written on the top. It's a Unit 4. Right, students? And the chapter number is 30. Poem number is A Book Speaks. Right, students? Again, I am repeating. It's a Unit 4. The chapter number, it's a 30. And the poem name is A Book Speaks. Students, before I start the explanation part of this poem, first let's see some information regarding the books. So students, can you see in this pic? Yes, there are so many books, right? There are books in the shelf, right? And some students are reading also. Can you see? Yes. Students, books are with us from early childhood, right? जब हम बहुत छोटे थे तब से हम बुक पढ़ते हैं. हमें पढ़ना भी नहीं आता था, फिर भी हम उसमें की इमेजेस मीन्स फोटोज हम देखते थे और खुश हो जाते थे जब हम बहुत छोटे बच्चे थे. तो बुक हमारे पास जब हम बहुत छोटे थे तब से हमारे पास बुक है. As I told you, books are with us from early childhood, right? It is a book we have learned lots of things. बुक है जिससे हमने बहुत सारी चीज़ें सीखे हैं, right? That is to read, write, to know about different things. हमने किताब से ही बहुत सारी चीज़ें सीखे हैं, लिखना, पढ़ना, right? और बहुत सारे इंफॉर्मेशन भी हमें मिले हैं, right students? Now, to read, write, to know about different things. For example, information regarding animals, birds and many more things. Right students? हमें बहुत सारी जानकारी मिली है एनिमल्स की, बर्ड्स की, लिविंग थिंग, नॉन लिविंग थिंग. ये सब इंफॉर्मेशन हमें कहाँ से मिला है? बुक्स से. Right students? We also read lots of stories from these books. और हम बहुत सारी स्टोरीज भी पढ़ते हैं. As you can see in this pic. Yes students, the two students are sitting down and they are reading a stories, right? Books help us to get information. So it is said, book are our best friends. जैसे कि बहुत समय से ये कहा गया है कि बुक हमारी दोस्त है, क्योंकि बुक हमें बहुत सारी इंफॉर्मेशन देती है. इंफॉर्मेशन मीन्स ज्ञान. हमें बहुत सारे ज्ञान किताबों से मिलती है. So students, we have to learn lots of books, right? And in this poem, we are going to learn that we should take care of books. जैसे कि हम इस पोएम में ये सीखने वाले हैं कि हमें किताबों का ध्यान मीन्स किताबों को किस तरीके से संभाल कर रखना है. In this poem, a book speaks, right? It expresses its feeling. जैसे कि इस पोएम में किताब अपने खुद को एक्सप्रेस कर रही है, उसकी फीलिंग्स को वो बता रही है. So now let's start with the poem, students. So here, as you can see, page number 66, poem number 30, A Book Speaks. Students, before I start the explanation, First of all, I am going to read the whole poem, and then afterward I will explain you in a line wise. Okay, so here. Poem number 30, A Book Speaks. When you drop me on the floor, I get stepped, on my sides are show. Torn out pages make me groan, I feel dizzy if I am thrown. Every mark and every stain on my covers give me pain. Please don't bend me. If you do, I don't want to talk to you. But we will both be friends together if you protect me from the weather and keep me clean so that I look a tidy, neat and happy book. So students, now I am going to explain you in a line wise. Okay? So here the very first line. So here students, first of all I am going to explain you the two lines. Okay? So here the first line. When you drop me on the floor, I get stepped, on my sides are show. So now students, this line tells us that when we drop books on the floor and when we step on it, the book's sides are shore, means the four sides are damaged. When we drop the books on the floor, the sides of the books are damaged. So we should not drop the books on the floor. जैसे कि स्टूडेंट्स, ये लाइन हमसे कह रही है कि जब भी हम बुक्स को नीचे फेंकते हैं, ज़मीन पर फेंकते हैं, तो जो उसका साइड है वो फुल डैमेज हो जाता है, बेंड हो जाता है, फोल्ड हो जाता है, राइट? तो ये बुक हमसे कह रही है कि प्लीज़ ऐसा मत करो, मुझे पेन होता है जब आप मुझे नीचे ज़मीन पर फेंकते हो, तो आपको ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए. क्यों? क्योंकि जो मेरे साइड्स है वो डैमेज हो जाती है. सो स्टूडेंट्स, व्हेन यू ड्रॉप मी ऑन द फ्लोर, आई गेट स्टेप्ड, ऑन माई साइड्स आर श्योर. So students, I hope everyone understood the starting two lines, right? Now move to the next line. So here, torn out pages make me groan, I feel dizzy if I am thrown. So here, now these two lines tells us that. So here, turn out pages make me groan. So students, this line tells us that we should not tear pages from the books. It makes the book groan. Students, groan means make a sound that shows pain. Means unhappy, you can say, right students? When we tear the pages from the books feel unhappy. She feel pain. Like that, this lines tells us. I feel dizzy if I am thrown. So here the book saying again. What the book is saying? Yes, I feel dizzy if I am thrown. Students, dizzy means round and round the heads going and losing the balance. When we throw the books down, the book is saying that when you throw the books down, I feel dizzy. Dizzy means my head goes round and round, right? And I lose balance. Like that, the book is saying to us. So students, जैसे कि यहाँ पर ये कहा गया है, जब हम बुक्स के पेजेस फाड़ते हैं तो बुक को बहुत तकलीफ़ होती है, और जब भी हम बुक्स नीचे फेंकते हैं तो बुक्स हमसे कह रही है कि मुझे डेजी फील होता है. डेजी मीन्स मुझे चक्कर आता है जब मुझे बुक्स नीचे फेंकते हो, जब आप मुझे नीचे फेंकते हो. ऐसे कौन कह रहा है? बुक हमसे कह रही है. सो स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ द नेक्स्ट लाइन. Every mark and every stain on my covers gives me pain. Now students, these two lines tells us that every mark and every stain. Students, can you see the image? Yes. So here it is said that when we put some mark or dirt in the cover, it feels pain. So here the books feel pain. We should not put any mark or dirt in the book because of this books feel pain. If we put any dirt or mark, the book covers feel pain. जैसे कि यहाँ पर कहा गया है कि जब भी हम बुक्स पर कोई मार्क करते हैं या उसे गंदा करते हैं तो बुक कवर जो है, जो बुक का कवर है, उसे बहुत पेन होता है। ये चीज़ें हमसे बुक कह रही है कि अगर कोई मुझे गंदा करता है या मुझ पे कोई मार्क करता है, जैसे एग्जांपल स्टूडेंट्स, हम बुक के ऊपर नेम लिखते हैं प्लस कुछ ड्राइंग करते हैं, राइट। कभी कभी हम बुक का कवर बहुत गंदा करते हैं। तो यहाँ पर बुक हमसे कह रही है कि जब भी आप कोई मार्क करते हो या गंदा करते हो तो मुझे बहुत तकलीफ़ होती है। सो वी शुड नॉट डू एनी डर्ट or mark on the cover. We should take care of the book, right students? So now move to the next line. Please don't bend me. If you do, I don't want to talk to you. Now students, this line tells us that please don't bend me. If you do, I don't want to talk to you. So here, if you see in this pic, the book is saying to us that please don't bend me. You should not bend the book. If you are folding the books, you should not fold or bend the book. If you are folding or bending the book, I will not to talk to you. Like that the book is saying to us. जैसे कि यहाँ पर बुक हमसे कह रही है कि अगर आप मुझे फोल्ड करते हो, बेंड करते हो, अगर आप करते हो तो मैं आपसे बात नहीं करूँगी। ऐसे कौन कह रही है? बुक हमसे कह रही है। नाउ लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट लाइन। बट वी विल बोथ बी फ्रेंड्स टुगेदर इफ यू प्रोटेक्ट मी फ्रॉम द वेदर। Now students, this line tells us that but we will both be friends together if you protect me from the weather. So here the book is telling to us that we will always be friends to each other. The only thing we have to do is to protect the book from the weather. That is, we have to keep the book safe from the sunlight and from the rain. We should not throw the book outside so that they get wet in the rain, or because the heat of the sun, the pages will get fade. So we have to protect the books from the weather. Like that the book is saying to us. जैसे कि यहाँ पर बुक हमसे कह रही है कि हम दोनों बहुत अच्छे दोस्त हैं, हम दोनों बहुत अच्छे फ्रेंड हैं। वी आर फ्रेंड्स टुगेदर। लाइक दैट द बुक इज सेइंग टू अस। बुक हमसे कह रही कि हम दोनों दोस्त हैं। पर हम दोनों दोस्त कैसे बन सकते हैं? जब तुम मुझे प्रोटेक्ट करोगे। किससे? वेदर से, मीन्स मौसम से। जैसे कि आप जानते हो बच्चा, बारिश का मौसम होता है, हम स्कूल जाते हैं, राइट, और हमारा बैग्स गीला हो जाता है तो हमें प्रोटेक्ट करना चाहिए बुक्स को। किससे? प्लास्टिक बैग रखकर, राइट। हम लोग रेनकोट पहनते हैं, राइट स्टूडेंट्स। और हमें सन से भी प्रोटेक्ट करना चाहिए बुक को, क्योंकि कभी कभी बुक्स हम लोग बाहर रख देते हैं और सन से क्या होता है? हीट होता है, राइट। तो वो बुक का जो पेजेस है वो फेड हो जाता है। तो हमें इस सब चीज़ों से बुक्स को प्रोटेक्ट करना चाहिए। अगर हम प्रोटेक्ट करेंगे तो बुक हमारी क्या बनेगी? एक अच्छी दोस्त बनेगी। ये हमसे कौन कह रहा है? हमसे बुक कह रही है, राइट। नाउ स्टूडेंट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट लाइन। and keep me clean so that I look a tidy, neat and happy book. Now students, this last two lines indicates that and keep me clean so that I look a tidy, neat and happy book. So students, we have to keep the books clean, tidy, neat. By keeping the books clean, tidy, neat, the book will be happy. What the book is saying that if you keep me clean, neat and tidy, I will be too happy. जैसे कि यहाँ पर बुक हमसे कह रही है, अगर तुम मुझे अच्छे से नीट और क्लीन रखते हो तो मैं बहुत खुश हो जाती हूँ. ऐसे कौन कह रहा है? बुक हमसे कह रही है. Students, I hope everyone understood this poem, right students? So students, I had completed the explanation part, right students? I hope everyone understood this poem. So students, now I am going to recite the poem. You all of you just repeat after me, okay students? So here, poem number 30, A Book Speaks. Students, everyone just repeat after me, I said, okay? Say again, poem number 30, A Book Speaks. When you drop me on the floor, I get stepped on, my sides are sure. Torn out pages make me groan. I feel dizzy if I am thrown. Every mark and every stain on my covers gives me pain. Please don't bend me if you do. I don't want to talk to you. But we will both be friends together if you protect me from the weather and keep me clean so that I look a tidy, neat and happy book. So students, again I am going to repeat the whole poem. You have to repeat after me, okay? So here, poem number 30, A Book Speaks. When you drop me on the floor, I get stepped on, my sides are sure. Torn out pages make me groan. I feel dizzy if I am thrown. Every mark and every stain on my covers give me pain. Please don't bend me if you do. I don't want to talk to you. But we will both be friends together if you protect me from the weather and keep me clean so that I look a tidy, neat and happy book. So students, today explanation part is completed, right students? Now let us start with the notes. So students, first of all, you have to write this whole poem one time in your English notebook. Understood everyone students? Okay. Now students, let us start with the combined book number 4. Okay. So students, everyone just open your combined book number 4. So students, everyone just open the combined book number 4. Right students? As you know, in the previous lecture, we had completed till the combined book number 3. Right? And from today onwards, you have to open combined book number 4. Right students? Okay. So here the page number 1, unit 4, and the topic is poem number 30, A Book Speaks. Students, here the very first question, it's learn and write the given words 3 times. So it's a new words, you have to write 3 times. Students, it's compulsory that you have to complete the homework part. So here The words are shore, grown, daisy, steen, weather, protect. These words you have to write 3 times. Right? Now move to the next question. Question number 2. Give rhyming words from the poem. So here question number 2. Give rhyming words from the poem. In that, the very first one, A1, floor, the answer is shore. B1, grown, the answer is thrown. C1, stain, the answer is pain. Fourth one, do, the answer is you. E1, together, the answer is weather. And the F1, look, the answer is book. So students, we had completed the question number 2. Now move to the next question. Means question number 3. Give opposites of. In that, the very first one, A1, pain, the answer is relief. Second one, friend, the answer is enemy. C1, together, the answer is separated. D1, clean, the answer is dirty. E1, neat, the answer is untidy. F1, happy, the answer is sad. So students, we had completed till the question number 3 also. Now move to the next question. So here, the question number 4, complete the following verses. It is a poem that we have to complete. In that, A1, every mark and every stain on my covers give me pain. So students, we had completed the page number 1. Now move to the next page. Means page number 2. Now students, as you can see the page number 2. In that, the very first one on the top, B1, but we will both be friends together if you protect me from the weather. Now students, the C1, and keep me clean so that I look a tidy, neat and happy book. So students, we had completed the question number 4 also. Now move to the next question. It means that question number 5. List the things that makes a book unhappy. Example, dropping the books on the floor. So students, this part, it's an homework you have to complete. You have to mention the things which the books makes unhappy. The things which we do, that things makes books unhappy. Now students, question number 6. 6.1. Read the following and decide what the books will like or dislike. In that, A1, folding corners of pages. So the answer is wrong. Using a bookmark. The answer is right. Wetting your fingers with spittle when you turn the pages. The answer is wrong. Putting an open book's face downwards. So the answer is wrong. Give meaning of. In that, A1, sure. The answer is painful or etching. B1, groan. The answer is make a sound that shows pain. Now students, the question number 2. Make meaningful sentences. In that, A1, protect. We must learn to protect our book from damage. B1, turn out. So the answer is turn out pages of paper must be put in the dustbin. Students, I repeat again. Turn out pieces of papers must be put in the dustbin. C1, weather. The weather changes very often. D1, book. So the answer is a book can become a person's best friend. Now students, the last question, question number 3 of page number 2. What do we have to do to make friends with the book? So the answer is we must keep the book neat, clean and tidy and also protect it from bad weather. So students, we had completed the notes also. Students, I hope everyone understood the explanation part of this poem as well as the notes which I had given you today. Students, you have to complete these notes before 5 p.m. Students, if you have any doubt regarding the explanation part or about the notes, you can call me or WhatsApp me on my personal number. So students, thank you for watching the video.